Okay. There are only 3 golden tickets left.
And both to another trip. You would think one deserved a good weekend.
Dad? Why aren't you at work? Did they close the factory on me?
I'm afraid to, Charlie. In fact, they have closed it forever. I don't know how to tell you more, Charlie. Things were tough when I had the job, but now
Don't worry, Dad. Like Grandpa Joe always says, think positive. You've nothing to lose, so why not choose to think positive? Whenever my luck is on the wing, I think positive. Whenever I'm feeling down and out and don't know what to do, I never give way to fear and doubt, 'cause thinking positive sees me through. Whenever my stars are out of sync, I think positive. I write my thoughts down in purple ink and think positive. Remember this song: when things go wrong, then you'll know what to do. In no time you'll be thinking positive too. Sing with me. Whenever I think I'm in the drink, I think
positive.
right. Whenever my luck goes down the sink, I think
Positive!
yeah. Whenever you're feeling low or lost, just take a tip with me.
You're wasting your time to count the cost.
'Cause thinking positive, that comes free.
That's right.
Positive is the way to be. Whenever I'm teetering on the brink, I think positive. The moment I do, I'm in the game. I think positive. Remember this song: when things go wrong, then you'll know what to do. In no time you'll be thinking positive.
Charlie, I haven't had this much fun since the factory manager got us down with the conveyor belts. Now let's get home. I'm positive we're having something special for supper tonight.
Leftover cabbage soup?
No fresh cabbage soup.
No, that's positive.